Nasa ilalim, anak. Nasa ilalim. Medyo malamig-lamig na.
Ilang sabaw po sa isang turon? Ang dami.
3 po.
I think this is one of the best kept secret ng Quiapo, the turon. Mayroon na ba kayo nakita ang turon na ganito kalaki before? First time? Yan. Yung turon nito dati, during my elementary years, 5 pesos lang siya dati, ganito na kalaki. But with the inflation, 15 and then because of the wala na kasi kinikita si ate nag-increase siya by 20 pesos ngayon. So sulit naman, masarap ang kanyang turon. Walang arte ang kanyang turon. It's more of sesame seed, may langka, and then saba. So what makes this turon special? Malaki siya. Parang pwede kayo maghati ng kaibigan nyo, isang turon, 3, or hati kayo ng 2. Yun. For the price of 1. Sige! Okay.
Para sa kinabukasan ng mga anak ko. Napagtapos ko sila lahat.
Kailan po kayo nagsimula?
30 years na eh.
30 years? Gross, matanda pa sa ilan dito.
Yeah. 30 years yung niya, yung pagtuturon niya dito. Banana.
Sila napatapos lahat.
Grabe. May sikreto po pa kayo sa recipe niyo?
Wala naman, may magmamahal lang.
Wow.
Ate, dito sila nakatira dati dito sa neighborhood na to. Pero nagpunta sila sa Resort. Katapat na nila sa pamilya na sila dito.
Nabili ng mga bata.
Pero hindi kayo umalis dito?
Hindi na.
Ano po ba? 20.
Ngayon, last time kasi, wala na inflation.
Sa 75.
Oo. Ang naabutan ko kasi elementary years, 5 pesos siya. And then nagkaroon na inflation, yan na siya ngayon. Naging 15, and then nag-increase na siya for 20 pesos ngayon.
How many years na po yung elementary ka?
That was 1997. At saka ganito na talaga siya, yung size niya hindi na nagbago.
Mel.
Mely.
Ilan po anak niyo?
Bali 5. Ay, 6.
Napatapos niyo lahat?
Patapos ko na rin. Isa na lang. Hanapos lang po. Tiyaga.
Yung isang minimiklit ng turo na to parang ration yun. Kasi patrasya kasi malaki ang ration. Diba sabi mo? Sabi sa kayo. Ay yung mga taga-bas diba?
Taga-basta na player.
Ration turo na tawagin na dyan. Ration turo. Mga estudyante, usually yung nanay no?
Yung mga estudyante sa baste. Balutin ko na lahat.
Kunin na natin. Naiiba.
Bigyan mo na lang sila isa-isa.
Sige.
Tell them to get one.
Ito naman.
Thank you lang po.
Okay pala guys, I want you to try. Please, medyo hot lang Kung meron kayong handkerchief or meron kayong some napkin.
Laki, di ba? Oo, laki.
Anong hashtag natin? yung mag-isa.
So, well, I'm Paul Rainier sa Cristan Suarde. I am the oldest of 5 siblings. My Casa Consolado is named really after Suarde Heritage Mansion.
At saka mas isirahin yung order my own houses. Ever, yung magawa ng parang kong house.
Old house rin ah.
Investment passion, second family, hindi naman second family.
Ocampo Pagoda. Ang owner nito si Jose Mariano Ocampo. It was built before the war. I think between 1938 to 1941. Yan. And then since kasi ano siya, one of the richest individual dito sa Quiapo na pinanganak. Dito lang siya pinanganak sa may kabilang street, yung Degustan Street. Pero since yung na-acquire nila yung mga katabing property, so lumaki yung space nila, nakapag-build siya ng ganitong building. It's like a personal Disneyland niya. Yeah, very playful yung imagination niya. Kaya pinagawa niya yan. So as a heritage advocate dito sa Quiapo, I call this the hidden gem.
Previously, the lot that we're stepping on had 2 houses. And this is the boy's house beside Bahay Nakpil Bautista. Now, in 1904, reconstruction came. This 2 house was remodeled into 1, and now is what it looks like today. So now let me explain. Bahay Nakpil is not only a house for a family, but families. I mean, we Asians by nature are closely connected. Our families or our bloodlines are closely connected to one another. In this room, if you can see these 2 posts over here, there was a wall on these 2 posts that divides this room. That spot where they are standing, and he did not only self-study the piano, but he also composed some of his music.
Brothers and sisters, we welcome you as one of our guests, and we are very pleased that you are one of our guests visiting this place.
Thank you. Saan tayo pabalik?
Okay.
On behalf of Tralulu, Vita Quiapo resident, San Sebastian Conservation
And
Development Foundation, and the iDiscover Manila. Welcome to Quiapo. So,
The information inside the secret sections, gallery session, and then there's a read more session that gives you more the background, the history, and the story of the site. So if you go, we have 30 something sites for this entire route, so there are quite a lot of contents here. And there's another category called iShop. So it shows you local shops and handicrafts. This is under the bridge. So I don't think we're going to be able to go there, but just to show you that there are actually 5 categories in the map and in the app. And then obviously the Black Nazarene, the festival is a big thing here. So it's also introduced as an eye surprise in this app. And then lastly, one more example, as a hidden coffee shop. It does not really have a name, but we also include it as a neighborhood must go. And it's I drink category. So we have different categories to cater like different types of people. And we have 36 sites actually in the whole of Quiapo. So this is how the app works. Once you have Wi-Fi, you guys can download it.